Good morning, children. I am Mahalakshmi here, your social science teacher. Today, I am going to take your economic lesson. The lesson name is production. There are two main activities in an economy. One is production and other consumption. There are two kinds of people, producers and consumers. Consumers can be identified in two roles. Consumer can be customer of the producer and supplier to the producer. What do you mean by production? Production is a process of combining various material inputs and immaterial inputs in order to make something for consumption. For example, bicycle is made of wheel, which is made out of iron, and tire out of rubber. Here the iron and rubber is material inputs, and people who work on making the bicycles are immaterial inputs. Production in economics refers to the creation of those goods and services which have exchange value. It means the creation of utilities. Utility means want satisfying power of a product. Types of utility. First one, form utility. If the physical form of a commodity is changed, its utility may increase. Example, cotton is converted into clothes. Place utility. If a commodity is transported from one place to another, its utility again increase. Example, if rice is transported from Tamil Nadu to Kerala, its utility will increase there. Then, time utility. If the commodity is stored for future usage, its utility may increase. For example, agricultures like paddy, wheat and all are stored for regular use of consumers throughout the year. Types of production. There are three types of production: primary production, secondary production, tertiary production. Now, primary production. Primary production is carried out by extractive industries like agriculture, forestry, fishing, mining, and oil extraction from the earth's surface. Secondary production. This includes production in manufacturing industries, turning out semi-finished and finished goods from raw materials and intermediate goods. Example, conversion of flour into bread, iron ore into finished steel, manufacturing of cars, etc. Tertiary production. Industries in the tertiary sector produce all those services which enable the finished goods to be put in the hands of consumers. Example, we can say banking, insurance, transport, communication. Production. Production is a process of combining various materials and immaterial inputs in order to make something for consumption. Output. It is an act of creating an output of goods or services which has value and contributes to the equity of individuals. Types of production. There are three types of production: primary production, secondary production, tertiary or service production. The primary sector of economy includes any industries involved in the extraction and collection of natural resources such as farming, foresting, mining, and fishing. The secondary sector of the economy includes industries that produce a finished usable product that are involved in construction. This sector generally takes the output of a primary sector. Tertiary sector of the economy is the service industry. Service companies do not provide physical goods like the primary or secondary sector. They still provide value. For example, banks, insurance, education, communication, and the police.